Hey 6 to 9 learners, this is Leslie. Today I'm going to show you a science activity that you can do at home that demonstrates how a thunderstorm forms. For this experiment, you will need these materials: a plastic container that's about the size of a shoebox, some red and blue food coloring. The blue food coloring will be used to make blue ice cubes. If you don't have an ice cube tray, you can do like I did and just use some small plastic containers in your freezer. You'll also need warm water for this experiment. Okay, to start this activity, you're going to want to fill your plastic container about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full with warm water. You want to make sure it's warm water, not hot, but warm, a little bit warmer than lukewarm. You'll want to make sure that you have your blue ice cubes at the ready. You're going to be placing them on one end of the container, and then make sure that you also have your red food coloring ready. You're going to be placing it in the opposite end. In this activity, the blue ice cubes are going to be representing cold air, and the red food coloring is going to be representing warm air. First, gently place 4 or 5 blue ice cubes into the warm water on one side of your container. Next, put about 3 drops of red food coloring in the other side. Now in this demonstration, the blue represents cool air in our atmosphere, which are the layers of air around the Earth, and the red represents warmer air. Now, watch what happens as the different temperatures run into each other. As they collide, the cooler liquid pushes under the warmer liquid. You see how the warmer liquid is being forced up by the cool liquid, which is staying very close to the bottom? Well, the same thing happens in Earth's atmosphere with air. When a cool air mass runs into a warm air mass, the cool air undercuts the warm air, and a thunderstorm can form where those two air masses meet. This is a process that we call convection. Convection is the transfer of heat by the movement of a fluid or a gas between areas of different temperature. You may have heard the phrase, warm air rises. Well, that's what you're seeing here, except that we're demonstrating it with liquid. When the warm air is forced higher into the atmosphere, it will cool down and then condense into clouds that can form a thunderstorm. So try this activity for yourself to see how convection can create thunderstorms. And send me some videos or pictures of your activity at home. I'd love to see them. Have fun!